to Cooking with Claire. So today I'm making banana cake. There's a little recipe book of things I can make, and surprisingly you can make cake in a rice cooker. I had no idea. So all you need is one banana and one hot cake mix. So I have this hot cake mix, and I bought these bananas for 20 yen. If it will focus. Camera. And well, just imagine this is 20 yen right here. It was on sale because they're going kind of brown. But yeah, that's all I need, and we're going to hopefully get this to work. So first it says put 50 to 60 grams of hot cake mix. So I have this, which is 150 grams, so I'm going to put like half-ish in, a little bit less, because yeah. Oh. So since you're on top of the rice cooker, I don't know how I'm going to show you what I'm doing. I have a bowl here. I'm going to put the ingredient inside the bowl. See? Okay, I think I put half in. Who knows? So that looks like this. And now we just need to put one banana in, and I think is it like instruction in Japanese? I don't really know what that is either. But I think I just mix it together and put it in here to put inside the rice cooker. Here we go, and I'm just gonna mash the banana into the mix. I don't really know what I'm doing. Banana cake in a rice cooker. So here is what it looks like, if it'll focus. So you just put it in the rice cooker as so. Close the lid, and I'm fairly sure this says just press this button and it'll cook for me. So apparently my banana cake is ready. Let's have a look. Wow, it looks nothing like it's meant to. I think I'll just keep cooking it. Okay, I did just say this wasn't cooked, but actually upon further inspection, it's cooked. That is a cake. It looks, I think it doesn't look like a cake because I didn't fluff, like I didn't smooth it out on top. It looks like a mess, but that is actually cake. Let's take it out. So here is the final product of the banana cake.